Okay, questions 21 to 26. Complete each sentence with the correct ending. Now, we call it half sentences given in the questions and half sentences given in the options. And can you see there are so many options? How many questions? 2, 4, 6. And how many options? 11 options, like double options. Right? Dil mein gali nikalne inko agar karna hai to yeah, don't worry, okay? So they always make it confusing. If they like, it means you need to read 11 options, and out of those 11 options, you will use only 6 options, and the other 5 options are so confusing that you might have a feeling that this will go here, this will go there, and if your one answer is wrong, your 2 answers are wrong. Okay, but luckily this is type A questions. Now it looks horrible, no, don't you think? If you look at the questions, you look at the options, it looks horrible. But I tell you how to deal with it. First of all, you will read the question. From the question, you will find clue word. And they will never give you a question without clue word. You go back and find that clue word in the passage and read the full sentence. And after reading the full sentence, come back and go through all these options. And you will, the right answer will shout. The right answer will actually click you that this is the right answer. I tell you how to do it. In Alaska, biologists keep a check on adult fish. Alaska, biologists, adult fish. Now let's go back and find. Alaska, biologist. Second page, second line of this first paragraph. There are biologists. Got it? Okay, now what are we going to do? In Alaska, biologists keep a check on adult fish. Now, what do biologists check on adult fish? Biologists keep a check on adult fish. Now, what do they check? Okay, adult fish means fully grown fish. So, there are biologists throughout the state constantly monitoring. Monitoring means check. Monitoring adult fish as they show up to spawn. Biologists sit in streamside counting towers, study sonar, watch from aeroplanes, and talk to fishermen. Now, what do? They do different things about that. Biologists sit in streamside counting towers. Then they study sonar. Sonar are the waves actually. They watch from aeroplanes and talk to fishermen. The salmon season in Alaska is not preset. Read it carefully now. Not preset. The fishermen know the approximate time of year when they will be allowed to fish, but on any given day, one or more field biologists in a particular area can put a halt to fishing. Now, what do biologists do? They observe, and on any day they can say, today no one will catch salmon fish. Today fishing is not allowed. So biologists can halt. Read this line again. Biologists in a particular area can put a halt to fishing. Put a halt to fishing means stop fishing. Okay, even sport fishing can be brought to a halt. Sport fishing. What is sport fishing? You are fishing for fun. Fishing is a game also. Okay, so what do you understand? Biologists have the power. They observe adult fish and they can stop fishing anytime, and even they can stop sport fishing also. Clear? Now we go back. Option A, recognize fisheries that care for the environment. But one thing, this option will be used somewhere. So underline recognize fisheries environment. Recognize fisheries environment. Option B, to be successful. Option C, stop fishing from spawning. Now, if you don't know the meaning of spawning, don't worry. Stop fishing to stop fish from spawning. Option D, set up environmental protection laws. Underline environmental protection laws because these options will be used somewhere. Option E, stop people fishing for sport. Huh? Okay. Let's see. Let's go on. Label their products using MSC logo. No? Okay. Ensure that fish numbers are sufficient to permit fishing. Now listen. If you read two options, question number 21, in Alaska, biologists keep a check on adult fish and when they said they go through aeroplanes, they ask the fishermen this and that. For this option, option G, ensure that fish numbers are sufficient to permit fishing, because you know biologists allow. Now come to question number 22. Biologists have the authority. Now tell me what's the answer for this question. Exactly, that is option E, to stop people fishing for sport. So 21 answer is G and 22 answer is E. E for elephant. Now if you are confused about question number 21, let's read it again. In Alaska, biologists keep a check on adult fish, and the answer is to ensure that fish numbers are sufficient to permit fishing. Come back. We've got the same biologists. Sit in stream side, counting tower, study sonar, watch from aeroplanes and talk to fishermen. Salmon season in Alaska is not preset. Fishermen know approximate time of year when they will be allowed to fish, but on any given day or one or more field biologists in particular area can put a halt to fishing. Even sport fishing can be brought to halt. It is this management mechanisms that has allowed Alaska salmon stocks and accordingly Alaska salmon fisheries. So it's that. They said ensure that fish. I mean, why do they talk to fishermen? Why do they check from the aeroplane? Why do they stop people from fishing? Just because of the number of fish. So that is option G. Question number 23, please. In season, abundance-based management. Underline abundance-based management because it is in capital letter. In season, abundance-based management has allowed Alaska salmon fisheries. Now, abundance-based management is their management system. That management system has allowed Alaska salmon fisheries to do what? Come back. In season, abundance-based management. Same paragraph. Where is abundance-based management? Okay. All right. Now, in season abundance-based management. Now, we are going to see that this abundance-based management allowed Alaska salmon fisheries to do what? Okay. Now, please come back to third last line. It is this management mechanism. What does it mean? Abundance-based management. It is this management mechanism that has allowed Alaska salmon stocks and accordingly Alaska salmon fisheries to prosperous. Now two things, stock has increased and the department has prospered. Okay? Even as salmon populations in the rest of the United States are increasingly considered threatened or even endangered, but they have plenty of salmon fish and the department has prospered. Now come back. Option A. Recognize fisheries that care for the environment. Environment not mentioned. Now just keep in mind the number of fish has increased and the department has become more prospered. Okay. Option B. To be successful. Yes. Why? They have become successful because the number of fish increased and the department has become prospered. Prospered means khushhal ho jana. So therefore, option B, to be successful, will be the right answer. Question number 24. Marine Stewardship Council. And they've mentioned MSC, so you can easily find it. Was established. Now we are going to see established for what? Can you see? Yes. Next paragraph. So we see the purpose of that. In 1999, Marine Stewardship Council commissioned a review of Alaska salmon fishery. The council, which was founded in 1996, certifies fisheries that meet high environmental standards. Certifies fisheries that meet high environmental standards, enabling them to use a label that recognizes their environmental responsibility. Okay, let's go back. Environment, environmental responsibilities and all that. So option, okay, now there are two options with environment. One is A, to recognize fisheries that care for the environment. How do they recognize? They allow them to use their label. You know, some food that is labeled as halal from a department, food department. So food department allows them to use their label. So to recognize, when you allow someone to use your label, you recognize fisheries that care for the environment. Which is the second option for environment? D. D is to set up environmental protection laws. They didn't mention any law. And then F, yeah, option F, to label their products using MSC logo. Now, logo has not been mentioned until this point. Okay, we'll read on for that. So, marine stewardship, because, you know, it was about its establishment. Label is mentioned, but maybe there's another question for that. So, for this establishment, answer is A. Recognize fisheries that care for the environment. Please come back. You can read this one here. Commission a review for Alaska salmon. The council, which was founded in 1996, certifies fisheries that meet high environmental standards and all that. Okay, now let's go on. Question number 25. As a result of collapse of salmon runs in 1999, underline collapse of salmon runs, 1999. Collapse means the population collapsed. 1999. The state decided. What is it that the state decided? Let's go back. State. Look for the word state. Search the word state. 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 Second last paragraph. State. 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 Found it? Second last paragraph of the passage, state. Second last paragraph, second last line. Hunte लब लो. या आके बता दूं कहाँ पे है. However, the state reacted. बच्चे समझते मैं मजाक कर रहा हूँ कि state का word है ही नहीं है. हाँ? All right. However, the state reacted quickly, closing down all fisheries, even those necessary for subsistence purposes. So they reacted and they closed down all fisheries. Now give me one option for close down. A? K? Alright. K. Punjabi K or English K? English K. To close down all fisheries. Well done. For close down they use the word closing down all fisheries. Same wording. Now, question number 26 please. In September 2000, MSC allowed 7 Alaska salmon companies. Now, September 2000, MSC and 7. 7 is a word you need to look for. MSC 7. Last paragraph. Well done. Bacche chalak ho gaye ab, huh? So, let's read the last paragraph. In September 2000, MSC announced that Alaska salmon fisheries qualified for certification. 7 companies producing Alaska salmon were immediately granted permission to display MSC logo. हाँ. अच्छा जब किसी को एक ही आंसर मिलता है ना तो बड़ा ही खुश होता है. एक तो लब गया ना. So answer is option F. Exactly. Option F is there. That is, yeah, here. To label their products using MSC logo. All good? Okay? Yeah.